Hey guys, wanna change Instagram story from close friends to everyone? Here's how to simply fix it, so follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial and now let's get started. First off, open Instagram on your device, swipe to the left and choose the media that you wanna post. And if you have mistakenly clicked the close friends at the bottom right, here's how to simply fix it. So when the story was uploaded, just click on it at the top left and now tap on the close friends icon right here. Now select clear all and tap done. Now re-enter the same story and tap more at the bottom right and select the save option right here. Now select the save story option and let's go to your phone's gallery. So now we have saved your initial story to your phone's gallery. So exit Instagram and now open your phone's gallery. So when opened, look for the initial story that we have saved and just give it a tap. Now click on this share icon at the bottom left and from the pop-up menu, choose the Instagram at the bottom tab. Now this will bring up this menu. Here, select the story option, and now here you can customize your story however you want. And finally, just tap that your story option at the bottom left. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.